Alright, I've got a Kenmore 80 series washer, given a good clean down and run through. It's got a full load, jeans and towels in there, and it is on its last rinse cycle. It's going to finish rinsing and then it'll move on to spinning out those clothes, and also going ahead and getting everything ready. We'll need a little bit of touch-up paint, so we're going to get that done, but I always like to run the actual mechanical test first. So far so good. It's running very good. We're going to make sure that it goes all the way through its cycle and that those clothes are not wet when they come out. It's the most important things to check for. So we'll come back when it's done with that spin cycle. Alright, here we go into that final spin cycle. Sounds good. As I said, it's a very heavy jeans and towel load. It's usually doing an excellent job. So we'll let it run that cycle, and then we will come back and pull out some of those jeans and make sure that they're nice and light, ready to go into the dryer. Okay, and it just finished up, so we're gonna grab some of these guys here. Nope, no extra water. Alright. Reach all the way down here, and we'll grab a pair of jeans off the very bottom. Nope, those are nice and light. Okay, one more here. Alright, yep, no extra water in those, so it's spinning out correctly. Those are ready to go over into the dryer. So we'll get the dryer tested up and get it ready to go, and we'll move these over and shoot a little test video for that. Right, now we're over to the Kenmore dryer. It's in excellent shape. Sounds perfect. Of course, all the bearings and everything have been greased and the entire inside and out cleaned. Well, the out still needs to be touched up. There's a few spots that'll need to be touched up, but otherwise, listening to it, it sounds great. And I'm going to show you right down in here with this heat gun. Got an outside temperature of 65, so we'll open her up, and there is where the heat actually comes out, about 205 degrees there. So you can see it's heating perfectly, and so those clothes in there, just turn it back up. Alright, so we will get these wiped down, touched up, and then listed for sale. And of course we'll have this video for your reference to see that they both do work perfectly. And appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.